Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today we're taking a look at some of the best apps that you can get on your iOS 16.2 device right now that offer amazing live activities for the lock screen of your iPhone. As you probably know, this feature has been released with iOS 16.1 and it's still like a new feature. Not a lot of apps are actually updating or being released supporting this feature, but there are some, and in this video I will show you guys 10 of the best that you can get on your device right now. Now before we get started, I just want to ask you guys for a really quick favor. I'm noticing that most of you guys that watch my videos, even though you watch them, you're still not subscribed to the channel. So if you enjoy the videos and you want to see more of them, please make sure to subscribe. It really helps the channel a lot. Now we're starting things off with App Launcher. Now I know there are a lot of apps that do this. There are probably like 20 apps that you can get from the App Store that do exactly the same thing. But this one is actually pretty cool and very easy to use. All you have to do is launch the app. It is free and you will have here the apps that you can add to your lock screen. All you have to do is just tap on the apps that you want to add and you can have them on your lock screen. Now currently it has support for some of the most popular and most used apps, and of course there will be updates in the future supporting more apps. Now the way it works, you tap here to add the apps. If you want to remove it, you remove it just like that by simply tapping it again. Now you tap here and you're good to go. You go to your lock screen and there you will have your apps, and of course you can now go ahead and open any of these apps directly from your lock screen. The next app for the video is called Widget Pack. Now this one offers quite a lot of different features for the dynamic island. Now if you go here under the dynamic island section, you will have some actually pretty useful stuff. So you can have your real-time location, your real-time network speed, CPU, storage, clock, and the battery as well. So if you just want to see the real-time CPU usage, you can just enable it there. You go to your lock screen and you're good to go. Here we'll have the type of the CPU you have, and you have then right here the CPU usage, which is really cool. As I said, this app offers quite a lot. You're going to have other things like maybe your battery. You enable the battery there and you can have the battery right here with this really nice look on your lock screen. The next one is a newer app called Daily Weather. Now this app will offer quite a lot of weather information for your lock screen via live activities. Now you open the app, you can use your current location or you can use any city that you pick. And once you have done that, simply head on to your lock screen and there you will have the weather. You can see how good this is. It really looks amazing. It has the current weather, it has the current clock, and then you will have also the forecast right here for the next 5 days. And it actually even shows the temperatures here, the highs and the lows, which is really useful. Next up is Flashlight. Now this app allows you to turn on the flash directly from the lock screen via live activities. Of course, you can do that with a flash button that you have by default on iOS, but this one also offers a blink or the SOS mode, or of course the normal mode. All you have to do is head on right here at the top, and then you can go ahead and choose the small or the medium widget and tap start. Once you have tapped start there, you can go to your lock screen and there you will have it. You tap of course here and it goes right into that mode. Next up is One Widget. Now this app has been released quite a while ago, but now it has been updated, it has a new design, and of course it offers a lot of different things to add to the live activities feature. So you open the app and just tap here on Dynamic Island, and here you have all the stuff you can use. Now for the World Cup, they have matches here, so if you want to see a match on your lock screen, you can tap it right there and it shows the countdown for the match, or of course when the match starts it will show you right there of course all the details, the score and things like that. You can add a pet here just like for fun. You can have launcher, so you can add any of your apps that you want to launch from your lock screen, and you will have sleeping and you have health as well. So when you go to health, you can choose what type of data you want to show. So if I go to steps right here, I can tap steps and tap start, and then of course have the steps right on my lock screen. Next up is GPS status. This one will show you your location right on your lock screen. So when you open the app, all you have to do is actually enable here show lock screen, and then once you go to your lock screen, you will have here basically the GPS, your location right on your lock screen. Everything, all the information will be here. It even shows you how fast you're moving, and it shows the current time and date right there. The next app for the video is Next Drop. So if you're a sneaker fan and you want to know about a sneaker, when it will be released, or if you just want to have a countdown of that release on your lock screen, then you can use this app. You go right here, you can search anything you want, or you will have the upcoming here. You tap on it, and all you have to do here is just go ahead and add it to your lock screen simply by tapping on this button right there. That small clock right there allows you to have this on your lock screen. So when you go to your lock screen, you will have here the name of the sneaker, and then of course you will have the countdown right there. You can see it shows hours, minutes, and also seconds. Photo widget is up next. Now this one allows you to have any photo that you want from your photo library on your lock screen. All you have to do is head on to Dynamic Island right there and just tap here to add the photo. And once you have added the photo, you can also add text there. So if I just want to add some text on the photo, I can do that. And then once you're done, tap on Start and you're good to go. You will have the picture now on your lock screen as well as the text that you have just added. Next up is Live To Do. Your to-do list on your lock screen via live activities. You go into the app, pretty simple to use. You can add here, of course, anything that you have to do. You can create your lists here, and once you're done with that, all you have to do is just tap on live activity right there. Once it turns blue, that means that you have now added the app to the lock screen, and then you will have here your to-do list, which is actually super useful. So you can see the design is very nice, very clean, and you can have a list here of all the things that you need to do during the day. And of course, you can take a look at them anytime you want right on your lock screen. Last but not least is FatBurn. Now, FatBurn allows you to track your workout right on the lock screen via live activities. You open the app, you go to Start here, and once you have started like a different exercise, you can go ahead and just go out of the app. Then you will have it right on your lock screen. So you can see right here, it shows you the time, the intensity, and everything else, right? The minutes here, the calories burned, and everything else that you need to know. Now this will work best if you have an Apple Watch and you have the app installed on your Apple Watch as well. Then you will see here way more details and it will be much more accurate. So that is it for this video, guys. These are 10 amazing apps which you can actually download for free from the App Store that will offer some of the best live activities for your iOS 16's lock screen. Now, of course, as I said at the beginning of the video, live activities is a great feature. It's still new, and of course, more new features will be added to this and more changes will be made down the road, just like we saw with iOS 16.2, the new feature to actually enable more frequent update for live activities. It will be even better in the future, and it's a great new feature, and we can't wait to see what Apple has in store for live activities. It will be really exciting. So that's basically it. If you want to download any of these apps, make sure you go ahead and check out the pinned comment. You will find all the links there. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.